Today we live in a world where our lofty predictions of the future have become normal. It's normal for people to be connected to the web from wherever they are, all the time. It's normal for people to work from home, the office, and their mobile phones. The cloud is no longer just a buzzword, it's a part of our everyday lives. The game has changed.
We're a global software company. We started out of Australia in my apartment in Melbourne. The company's now over 200 staff. We have over 500 partners across 90 countries in 16 languages.
So I took off, moved to Whistler, and launched what was originally evogear.com, which is today evo.com, out of my apartment here in Wallingford, just down the street. Now, back then it was just really tiny. We kind of did everything. We'd buy the stuff, we'd clean the stuff, we'd ship it out of the garage.
We're pretty much dedicated to being a local regional brewery. Don't really have ambitions to sell beer in Chicago, you know. So in '95 we came over here to Ballard and built this brewery, which is still, you know, by brewery standards, is kind of a little brewery. But it kind of feels like home. Ever since we got here, it just is kind of like, this is the brewery that we really wanted to be.
A lot of the pain in growing your infrastructure is when things aren't working seamlessly. Working through those times and figuring out, okay, how are we going to improve the way these systems talk to each other and whatnot is an ongoing topic for sure. As you scale, you're always having kind of new challenges when it comes to integration of systems.
It does seem like right now there's a certain amount of redundancy that's just like, well, why would you enter this sale over here and then come back over here and then re-enter it over here?
For our business, we're able to set up, in London, in China, in Seattle and Melbourne with an infrastructure on Office 365 to connect back to our head office so they can manage the infrastructure.
All of our guys have smartphones. That has improved the communication quality and speed enormously.
I mean, flexibility when it comes to being able to work remote is huge. Right now I'm already using, a whole number of different devices, and it's not totally seamless at this point, but there's no question that the integration of devices is critical.
Our tagline for our business is workflow for everyone. So we think, any device, anytime, anywhere is the play. Cloud can give that to us now. The mobility warrior is what we're chasing because people have powerful tools at home and want them operating in their enterprise. Our tools have to end up on those devices.
If there were a cohesive database, and particularly if it was in the cloud, where we did have all those sectors integrated, it would be great. There would be a lot of time saved, I think.
Powerful enterprise software that was once only available to the biggest companies is now available to the smallest. It's the perfect storm of advancements in mobility, flexibility, productivity, and affordability. And it's setting up the small and medium-sized business market with a massive growth opportunity, making it clear that this is the place to be. Be what's next, Microsoft.